All right, guys, I'm gonna give you a little homestead hack here. So, say you've got 2 goats, 4 goats, things of that manner, and you're wanting to tie them out to let them eat. But say you've got 2 goats and you've only got 1 cable, but you want to get them both out. Now, I'm just showing you this because they've already been out today, and I'm actually putting them back in their pen so they can get water and stuff. But I'm going to show you real quick what I'm talking about. So you got 2 goats, you take 1 cable and you put it on this goat, and then you take the cable and run it through either the fence post or the fence chain links. Then you put it on the other goat. Now, they're not really going to fight each other that much pulling back and forth, but what this does, you can get 2 goats tied out so they can eat, and then they don't get tangled up against each other. Now, what I like doing is down here on this kennel, for instance, I let them eat inside, clean it out, and then I'll put the cable through this side all the way through the pen to the other side, and then they can eat, say, in about a 5-foot distance on the outside of each side of that pen, because it's a 20-foot cable. So it's a 10-foot pen. You get 10 foot inside, 5 foot with a goat on the other side, 5 foot with a goat on the other side, so they can work their way around the pen that way and not get tangled up with each other, and be able to get fresh grass or fresh salad, as Joe Salatin likes to call it. So that's just one way to get your animals out if you've only got 1 tie off. You know, this cable's got a clip on each end. Now, of course, you could make it a little longer if you wanted to, but that's just what this cable came as. So I wanted to show you all that. It's a neat little idea that I've not seen. I don't know that I come up with it per se, but I've not seen it. So with that being said, we're going to get some more water out for the pigs. Something else I do is I'll take hay. You can get sawdust or whatever, but it's basically the carbon material. You take hay and throw it down over areas in the pig pen, and that helps with smell. That'll help stuff break down, and then the pigs, you know, worms will come up out of the ground to eat the hay, and the moistness underneath it will help keep them moist, and then the pigs will root around and they'll eat those as well. So just another little trick there that we use. Homestead know-how, life is good. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We hope you all have a blessed day.